Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing an e-reader. It is a colored e-reader, so it's the BOOX Tab Mini C. This item was directly purchased from their website. So here it is. Alright. So this BOOX bundle came with a e-reader itself, and it came with an additional BOOX cover. So let's open this up first. So when you buy this item on Amazon, it doesn't come with a cover, but if you buy it from their website, then it would come with a free cover. They have an option for a stylus as well, but I got the option without the stylus. So here is the BOOX cover. Let's see if it's a good quality. So it's like the color is like it's an off-white color, like a beige. It comes with this pad. So it's really thin and but it feels sturdy, and it is magnetic. So this part here snap, and the texture of the inside is like it's rubbery. So I think the e-reader is supposed to just stick to the surface because it's magnetic. The back side it's some kind of a rubber material, and it's pretty straightforward. That's the case. So now let's open the e-reader itself. So looking at the back, you'll see that it's the Tab Mini C. So it comes with a really nice case. Oops. See here what it comes with. This is probably the charger. Yes, it is the charger. So this is the charger. It's a USB-C type. It comes with. So BOOX has they have a Hong Kong and a USA warehouse. This came from the USA warehouse, but if you buy internationally, you can actually get them from the Hong Kong warehouse from their website. Right. So let's see if there's anything else in here. I don't think there's anything else. It's just the tablet and the charger. That's all it came with. So let's check out this item. There's only actually just one button on this device, 2 speakers in the bottom. So let's try to put on the cover. So yes, it just snaps right. See? Snaps perfectly into the magnetic case. And then you can close it. When you open it, I think it wakes up. Let's try and see if it will turn on now. It's 1%. There you go. Finally turned on. It's 2% right now. So I'm just going to give you a quick look on the functions of this Android e-reader. So I had a lot of options to look into, like Kobo, there's Big Me, and then there's this BOOX. But what I really needed was an Android reader because I want to have a flexibility to access my e-readers from like Google Play, from Kobo. So this is the perfect match. It might not have as long as battery life as a regular e-reader, but it will work for what I needed. So here you go. It's just a spontaneous look. So I can connect it to my, so it's just like a tablet, but the screen is like paper. So it doesn't hurt your eye. It's very subtle light. I don't know how to like control the lighting yet, but I'll mess with that later. Let's see here, light. So there's a volume. So it means you can listen to like podcast. You can listen to audio readers, which is really good. So let's try to check out. Okay, so there is the app configuration. You can like, it's 30% right now. The default is 30%. So I'm just showing you 30%. Okay, so now I'm trying to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So for accessing the browser, I opened the internet app and there's a tutorial here. I don't want to skip the tutorial. Let's see here. So there's Google. So the colors are really muted. So if that's not your thing, then you probably won't like this. But it's just enough color for me. So it's actually not connected to the internet. So I will need to fix the internet. Okay, so it's finally connected to my internet. So I'm gonna show you Neo browser. That's the browser for this. You can type like Kobo. Let's see. It's gonna pull up. Search. Oops. Let's see, google.com. Your clock is ahead, update time. So I gotta update my, so I am, it's actually in China Standard Time. So I want to do Mountain Standard Time here. So let's see, region, let's see, it's USA, United States, Denver. Okay, so I have fixed the time zone. I was finally able to access Kobo. As you can see, it is pretty fast. So let me see if I could go to the Google Play. There's the Play Store. So you gotta sign in. Okay, so I'm gonna make this part 1 of the unboxing video because this video is already getting too long. I'm gonna do another more thorough review of this item after I set up the basic apps. I'll show you more on how like the Kobo or the Google Play or the Amazon bookstore works on this device. So we'll see you in part 2. Thank you for watching. Bye.